Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well. Today we will learn the ayat number 21 and 22 of Surah Al-Baqarah. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الناس اعبدوا ربكم الذي. Stretch the ya because it has mad as well as khadi fatha, means standing fatha. Ya ayyuhan nasu. Do gunna on noon because it has a tashdid. Gunna means your voice comes from nose and you stop a little bit. Nasu'budu. Join the scene with ayn because ayn has jazm. Sound of ayn is a and ayn pronounced from the middle part of throat. Rabbakumul ladhi. This one dal pronounced softly, pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two front teeth. خلقكم والذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. خلقكم. Kha and qaf pronounced boldly, pronounced with a thicker voice because they have green color. Kha pronounced from the top part of throat and qaf. This one qaf pronounced from the root of the tongue touching the soft part of the palate. Walladhina min. We do gunna on noon because it has a jazm and pink color. Every word in the colorful Quran Majid which have pink color, we do gunna on that word. قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. الذي جعل لكم الأرض فراشا والسماء بناء. الذي جعل lakumul arda. Ra pronounce ra boldly because it has a green color and dad boldly. Firashan was-samaa. Stretch the alif because it has a long mud, and binaa. Stretch the alif because it has long mud. A has two fatha sign, so it sounds an. If you want to stop here, you didn't pronounce an, and if you want to stop, you pronounce a only. Binaa. وأنزل من السماء ماء فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم. أنزل. When noon and mim have jazm or tashdid, we do gunna. Zala. Za. This one za pronounced hardly. This one za pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two and bottom two front teeth. وَأَنزَلَ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ. Stretch the alif because it has a mud, and seen. Seen pronounced like a whistle sound. Ma'an. Hamza has two fatha sign, so we pronounce like an. Ma'an. فَأَخْرَجَ. Pronounce boldly because ra has fatha sign. Bihi minas samarati. This one is sa. This one sa pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two front teeth. Samarati rizqan lakum. Now you see that ra in samarat pronounced boldly, but ra in rizqan pronounced softly. Mean we doesn't bold the ra in rizqan because ra in rizqan have kasra sign. When ra has kasra sign, we doesn't pronounce boldly. So we sound ثمرات رزقا لكم فلا تجعلوا لله أندادا وأنتم تعلمون. تجعلوا. Jim. We do qalqalah on jim. Alu lillahi. We do gunna on noon because it has jazm, and wa antum ta'lamun we use sound of ayn which is a. تعلمون. So this lesson is enough. Allah Hafiz.